Want to take a moment and highlight the folding saw. It's a landscaper favorite. It stows easily in your pocket. Any kind of corrective pruning that you're going to come across, most of the time going to do the job. Good thing to keep on you. Not all folding saws are created equal. Want to take a moment and highlight some of the attributes about ARS Japanese folding saw. This is the GR17 saw by ARS. The chrome plating helps sap not stick to it. They have an impulse hardening process for the teeth. They have a thermal treatment for the blade, and that allows the blade to have the flexibility and a very thin spine so that the teeth are wider than the spine. This is not very common on a lot of competing brands nowadays. A blade that's thicker in the back than it is at the teeth isn't going to cut very well. So ARS has perfected the saw making process for extremely sharp and durable saws. From the ground up, ARS has been doing this for 150 years. They've put out an absolutely staple product that has been in the industry as long as I've been at AM Leonard.